Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the planet Saturn. Next year, I mean in the year 2022, on the 29th of April 2022, the planet Saturn is gonna change its zodiac sign. It is currently in the Capricorn sign and it is gonna change its zodiac sign to the Aquarius sign. And Aquarius is the Mool Trikon Rashi of the planet Saturn. That means Saturn is gonna be very powerful in the Aquarius sign. So this particular change of Saturn will be from 29th of April 2022 until 10th of July 2022. So, for about 2.5 months, the planet Saturn will be in the Aquarius sign. And as I have told you all before, that the planet Rahu and Jupiter will also be changing in the month of April 2022. So, three major planets are gonna change their zodiac signs in the month of April 2022. So, the world for you will be a different place to live in. This planet Saturn represents a lot of things. It represents hard work. It represents patience. It represents perseverance. It represents blind people. It represents old people. It represents judgment. It represents righteousness. It represents good morals. It represents analytical abilities. It represents meditation. It represents spiritual growth. It represents wisdom. It represents rational thinking. So at this point in time, this particular Saturn will affect all these things. And from the 29th of April 2022 until 10th of July 2022, the Pisces moon sign will start to experience the Sadesati. I mean the 7.5 years of Saturn, the Saturn's Panoti. But this would be just a trailer of that Sadesati, that 7.5 years of Saturn, which would start in January 2023. In simple words, Pisces moon sign will start to experience an inauspicious time at this particular moment. Also, the Cancer moon sign and Scorpio moon sign people need to be careful at this point in time because they would be experiencing Ashtam Shani and Ardha Ashtam Shani. That also is an inauspicious yoga. But this inauspicious time would be for a very short time. That means for 2.5 months. The real movie, the real struggle will start in the month of January 2023. The Pisces moon sign will start to experience the real Sadesati in the month of January 2023. So seeing the planetary positions and the transit of Saturn in the Aquarius sign from 29th of April 2022, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when Saturn moves into the Aquarius sign, you need to hold on to your past. You need to hold on to the things which you currently have in your life. You need not give up that particular thing which you have currently in order to get something new. A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. So you need to remember this saying when this particular Saturn moves into the Aquarius sign. This particular Saturn will tell you that you need a new life for yourself. Yes, you can experience a new life. Yes, you can have a better life for yourself. Every human being in this world has the right to live a very good life, but not by giving up your old life. For example, if you have a job, then don't leave that job at this particular moment for a different job. I mean, for a job which would promise you the world. You might feel at this particular moment that the job which you will get during this time will be a very good one, but that wouldn't be the case. So hold on to your current job, and if you really want to change your life, try to do it in your present job. I mean, you could ask a raise of your salary from your current employers instead of joining a new company. You could negotiate with your current employers instead of joining another company at this point in time. Similarly, by that same token, you can apply this formula in any area of your life, in any arena of your life, in any space of your life, in any field of your life. I mean, you can apply this formula in your business, in your relationships, in your health, in your love relationships. Don't leave your love relationships or relationships for some new relationships at this point in time. I mean, you shouldn't leave your old relationships, your love relationships at this point in time for something new. So it would be prudent and wise for you to hold on to what you have. Don't try to sell any sort of property at this point in time. Don't try and sell something at this point in time which you think is useful to you. You know, this planet Saturn has certain features of Rahu as well, because Saturn and Rahu are both friends, so they have something in common. So at this point in time, the planet Saturn may show you something very rosy in your life. It is gonna show you that everything in this world will get hunky-dory for you. It may tell you that you are gonna reach your goals and dreams in your life if you change your life at this particular moment. It may tell you that if you take this particular decision at this point in time, you will become a billionaire. In other words, it may give you false hopes. But that perception which the planet Saturn will show you will be a false one. It will be a mirage. So don't fall into the trap of this planet Saturn at this particular moment. You must resist the temptation of life at this particular moment. You must resist the temptation to get something new and give up something old. You know, old is gold, so you need to remember this saying at this particular moment. And as I told you, that a bird in hand is worth two in a bush. Some people might think that they want to sell a particular property at this particular moment and they want to buy a new one. Please do not do that at this particular moment, because you might lose the old and you might not get a new one for yourself. So it is better for you to stay where you are. Do what you can, where you are, with what you have. Don't think that I don't have a particular thing, that is why I am not successful. You know, it is not the things which you don't have that don't make you successful. Use what you have currently. I mean, take advantage of the things which you have in you. I mean, your talents, your skills, your abilities, and what you have materially. The money, the property, etc., etc., etc. Some people might think that they don't have a particular thing, hence they are not successful. You know, in life, that can never be the case. Try to utilize what you have currently. Try to decipher, try to recognize, try to discern what you have. And then take advantage of those things and move forward in your life. So this particular Saturn will tempt you at this particular moment. It might tell you to sell your current property. It might tell you to leave your current job. It might tell you to leave your current business. It might tell you to leave your love relationships. You may develop certain vices at this point in time which can spoil your health in the future. It might show you something which is invisible at this point in time, but it wouldn't be visible to you in the future. It might tell you that things in the future are gonna get very good if you leave your present status, if you leave your present work, if you leave your present job, etc., etc., etc. So don't fall into this temptation of this planet Saturn and hold on to the things which you have currently in your life. If you take my advice, if you take my suggestion on this transit of Saturn in the Aquarius sign, then I am certain nothing will stop you in your life from succeeding. So don't fall into the trap of Saturn at this point in time. You know, change is important in your life, but not by sacrificing your current happiness, your current comfort, your current situation in your life at this particular moment. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this transit of Saturn in the Aquarius sign. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live the best version of themselves because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this life once again. And if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to improve your luck in your life, if you want to enhance your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. These remedies which I am talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies and religious remedies which can be utilized by any person of any religion. And if you want me to pray for you, prayer can move mountains. So if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, business, career, job, love relationships, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. People have benefited from my prayers which I do for them. And if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, residence, factory, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.